Hello. I just figured I'd do another Sunday video greenhouse update. There's several changes that I have done in the greenhouse. Here, hold on. Let me turn the fan off here. Well, not a fan, but let me turn the pump off. There we go. I do use evaporative cooling in the greenhouse. I use a big evaporative cooler in the greenhouse. This is a 6x8 greenhouse, so uh, it helps me maintain and limit the number of plants that I have. So uh, this is going to be year number 2 in this greenhouse. I've spent the last 10 years growing outside and bringing plants into my unheated garage over the winter because we freeze here really hard. And a couple years ago, I lost pretty much all my plants because I neglected to uh, keep them from deep freezing in my unheated garage. So I decided to go with a greenhouse. Best thing I ever could have done. So what I have done this weekend is I have taken my table and I have made it into just a flood table. So I do have about an inch of water in the bottom of this table. So that way I don't have to worry about individually watering every tray. So now I just water the table. So this is all in preparation of me and my wife. We're taking a trip to the Midwest for several weeks next summer, moving out of Washington. So I need to be able to set this up in a way that it's pretty much automated for the people that are going to take care of this for me. So, but these, yeah, we'll just do like a quick update, I guess. So it's a flood table. I used 1x6 boards actually screwed to my table. I used pool liner, like an inch of water set with a level switch. So I have a level switch and a quarter poly tube that goes up and over. I'm gonna see if I do this without blinding you guys. So it goes up and over my water and my control wiring. It goes up and over. Sorry, the sun is behind me. To a pump. This pump is controlled by a 12 to 3.3 to 5 volt board. And yeah, that float switch just activates this board through a transistor, starts this pump, fills my tray, fills it. So it'll go down to about a half an inch. So it'll go between a half inch and 1 inch on that float switch. Yeah. Oh, might as well check out the plants while we're here, huh? Yeah, Stollidium, the trigger plant. If you know anyone that wants any Stollidium, the trigger plant, hit me up. Let me know. I've got more of this plant than you can shake a stick at. Yeah, if you ever want any of this, just let me know. It's a weed. That's why it's off in its own corner. You'll see it'll grow right outside its spot there and send new runners. And oh yeah, it's a weed. Then of course I've got my other plants here, my finicky ones that do not like to get too hot. My scorpioids, my ultimate, just the most favorite plants here are my scorpioids. Again, with my son's frog there. But that can kind of give you an idea of the current height of my scorpioids. My sundews that just got hammered in heat several weeks ago. I did not have my shade cloth up, and a lot of my sundews got burnt pretty bad. Yeah, just yeah, sundew city here. Yeah. What do I have here? I have my rosannas here, my little pygmies. They're all flowering. I don't know, can I zoom in there? All the cute little flowers on those pygmies. Another one of my favorite carnivorous plants. Oh, there's my Walmart save that. Oof, boy, yeah. Takes a lot of energy to save plants from stores. And then this guy from California Carnivores, oh my gosh, he's just everywhere. Crazy big. Yeah, that's my Spider-Man. Oh, here, I want to zoom in on that Spider-Man there. Oh, yeah. That's the Spider-Man Venus flytrap from California Carnivores. My Saracenias. Let me see if I can. Am I still zoomed out? Oh, I am. Sorry, guys. Yeah, I mean, just fantastic coloration. And then, of course, the old Dewey Pines. Another one of my ultimate favorite plants. First year growing them. And my seed-grown plant is actually outgrowing California Carnivores purchase potted plant. And then, of course, here's my little guy here that popped up out of the middle of nowhere. I've got 20 or so seeds in this soil here. And you can see they'll grow when they want. Oh, more sundews down the bottom here. Yeah, these guys. Yeah. That's a bug trap for you right there. Sorry about that. As I zoomed the wrong way. Yeah. So that's that. That's my automated flood table. I did also automate the water barrel. Got a float switch on, goes down and activates a 12-volt pump, that high pressure pump that feeds my RO system. And then it comes back up from the house. So yeah, so that there switches the 12-volt pump. Aerated. I am also aerated, of course, using solar. There's my misting pump for when it gets too hot. Here are my tin-foiled probes here. That just helps smooth the curve of the probes. Yeah, for all you guys that are involved with electronics and thermistors and stuff like that. Spread out the surface area, and it'll help the curve of the stop-start of these things. But this is the temperature that controls this. That goes up to my jet here that yeah, adds a bunch of humidity in this greenhouse. Humidity really helps cool things down when it gets hot, because we get hot here. This is my Scorpioid garden for next year, with my oddball sundews hanging out. Yeah. What is that? Is that a Tracei? I'm not sure. This was from a seed kit, just to see, you know, back when I was just trying to grow things from seed, because I love to grow things from seed. Oh, and then of course my Cobra Lily, California Darlingtonia. Most favorite plant since I was a kid. I'll be 50 years old this year, so that's how long I've been loving these plants. And then with my little Cephalotus hanging out in the corner. But that's pretty much the update of this greenhouse. So what did I do? Oh, I automated the filling of my barrel. Cooling is already automated. This is when it gets too hot, because I do have solar fan. That's when it gets too hot. And then I automated the flood table. And then I built the flood table yesterday. Super easy to do, guys. Super easy. But yeah, so that's really what I wanted to show you guys today. So I do thank you guys for watching, tuning in, and yeah, listening to my blabbering about me and my carnivorous plants. It's my break away from changing transistors. So my name's Todd. I am the owner of Ellsberg Amplifier Repair and Service, if you guys know my other channel. But this is what I do on my off time. So thanks guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Stay safe.